Hey there, stargazers. Welcome to our video on the birth and death of stars. Today, we're going to take you on an awesome journey through space and explore how stars are born and how they die. So, imagine a giant cloud of gas and dust floating in space. Over time, this cloud starts to get pulled together by gravity, and it becomes denser and hotter. Eventually, a protostar is formed. This baby star is still not fully formed, but it's on its way. Now, the protostar keeps getting denser and hotter until it becomes a real star. At the core of the star, something really cool happens: nuclear fusion. This is when atoms in the core of the star start sticking together, creating energy and heat. As the star gets older, it goes through different stages. The first stage is called the main sequence, and this is when the star is burning hydrogen to make helium. This stage can last for billions of years. But eventually, the star will run out of hydrogen fuel, and it will start to change. If the star is a small or medium-sized star like our Sun, it will turn into a red giant. This is when the outer layer of the star expands, making it much larger than it used to be. But if the star is a really big star, it will go through even more changes. It will turn into a red supergiant, and then it will explode in a huge supernova. This explosion creates a ton of energy and can even create new elements. After the supernova, the star can turn into either a neutron star or a black hole. A neutron star is really dense, and a black hole is a place where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape it. But did you know that the death of a star can also create new life? That's right. When a supernova happens, all of the energy and elements that are created get blasted out into space. These elements can eventually become part of a new cloud of gas and dust, which can form new stars and even planets. So, now that you know all about the life cycle of stars, we want to hear from you. In the comments below, let us know what you found most interesting about stars. Now let's dive a little deeper into the different types of stars. Did you know that stars come in all shapes and sizes? There are small stars like red dwarfs that can live for trillions of years, and there are massive stars that burn through their fuel in just a few million years. And did you know that stars also come in different colors? A star's color depends on its temperature. The hottest stars are blue, while the coolest stars are red. Our Sun is a yellow star. But the most fascinating thing about stars is that they're constantly changing. Even in just a few seconds, a star can go through millions of years worth of changes. Here are some pro tips for stargazing. First, make sure you're in a dark area away from city lights. Second, give your eyes time to adjust to the darkness. Third, use a telescope or binoculars to get a closer look at the stars. And finally, don't forget to bring snacks and hot cocoa. Thanks for joining us on this journey through space. We hope you learned something new about the birth and death of stars. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure with us.